Please, multi-stream work. I think it's working. I hope it's not too bad. It's probably gonna be unstable. It says unstable. Hope it's not too bad. This is excellent on YouTube. I don't know why it says unstable here. Oh, bitrate is too high. I don't know why. Okay, whatever. Okay. I think stream's ready. Okay, so hello. I have this new overlay, which I didn't really make myself, but yeah. It has like this whole thing where I can pop up and close the thing. I can edit it and say whatever I want. It's not part of OBS, it's a thing. It's like a JavaScript, whatever, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna explain what I'm doing and then we're gonna get started. I just want to get started fast, okay? So, first of all, if you can read the title, I suck at coding, okay? I really suck at coding and I want to get better. This is shameful for me to say this. It's embarrassing, but I used to be a vibe coder. Okay, so I want to maybe not be that for the rest of my career, and I want to actually learn to code properly. And I do know basic coding skills, and I have learned some from vibe coding. I've learned a little bit. But I think I'll learn better if I actually code, like actually learn to code. So I want to actually learn. I want to actually learn, you know, but I don't want that much outside help. I just want to stream it so I have a log of what I'm doing, but I don't really want I don't want people to be like, yo, you're doing this wrong, or, you could be doing this so much better. It's like, I know I could. I know there's right and wrong ways to do things, but I mean, I'm not here for that. I'm learning the basics. I don't need to know, like, how to use these different frameworks or whatever bullshit. It's like, I'll learn that later. I don't need, oh, God, I don't need to learn that now. So that's why I have the backseat thing. If you use the backseat command, it will tell you I'm not going to read chat when I'm programming. I will just not read chat. I won't even have it up. I can't read it. I can't see it. Maybe I can see it in like the OBS overlay, but I'm not going to respond because it's like, it's not helping when people backseat. It doesn't help. I mean, if I was better, it could help with like reminders, like, oh yeah, program this way, blah, blah, blah. But I'm learning. I'm not here to program a production ready full fucking thing. I'm here just to, you know, learn. I'm here to learn. And if I need help, I'll ask. But I'm not going to just be like, okay, fine, I'll do this your stupid way or whatever. Like, I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn. So please give me time to learn. Okay, my bitrate is becoming stable again. Sorry, stabilizing. It's stabilizing. Beep boop, stabilizing. Okay, yeah. Make sure to read the rules. If you're on YouTube, the rules are in the description. If you're on Twitch, everything's done through commands. So the backseat rules and the regular rules are the same on both sides. No advertising, no harassment. And these are new. I never really had rules, but I feel like we need to set some ground rules. just because I've had a lot of people advertising, and it's just that's not good. It's annoying. I don't like it. It just clutters the chat and makes it look like shit. So it doesn't help. So we're gonna actually start the stream now. So now I can change my little overlay. Oh, I'm such an idiot. And now we can go here. So okay, so here we are in our Let's whole thing. So I will not be reading chat. Well, actually, I will. I'll read a little until I start actually doing stuff. I'm gonna explain what this whole workflow thing is. This basically sets the tone for everything. So let me just open up my documents here, so I can explain what we're going to do. I have a runny nose, by the way, so that's disgusting. I'm so sorry. Wish I didn't have allergies, but I do. And it's hot, and it's cold, and it's everything. Okay. So right here, I don't know if I can zoom this in. Oh, apparently I cannot adjust the window. There we go. Can you zoom this in, please? Nope. Okay. Zoom it in. Nope. Okay, there's just nothing to do. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. I cannot zoom this in, unfortunately. I don't know how to zoom this in. Oh, I guess I can do that. I don't know. That's good enough, I guess. I don't know. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing on stream. For y'all with hard of sight like me, I can't see shit. I have grandma vision. Okay, so this is the learning.js folder, basics, HTML, this stuff. So basically what's going to happen is this is going to propagate. Oh my God, that was loud. It's going to propagate with or populate with other items like a CSS folder or a JS folder or whatever. And basically I'm going to have, we'll read this. Okay, so every folder I'm going to have 10 coding challenges to do. I already have done 5 coding challenges here. Okay. And then after that, I need to make one final website or app using the knowledge I learned. And I must include everything I learned in the final challenge. Okay. So that's the gist of what we're doing. And for the CSS, because we're going to do HTML, CSS, and JS. For the CSS, I'm just going to use HTML and then just use a lot of CSS styling. Since CSS isn't really like, you can't make a web page with just CSS, I'm pretty sure. I mean, you probably could, but I'm not going to. That's so much more. That's not a beginner thing to do. Okay, we're taking steps. We're taking stepping stones. We're not making full websites with CSS here. That'd be funny, but no, that's gonna take a lot more than 10 challenges to do that. So let's use HTML and use a lot of CSS with the HTML, right? But yeah, so this is going to be where the final website is, and I'm not allowed, there's a couple rules. I'm not allowed to use like the 3 exclamation points or whatever to start the HTML process. I have to type it all out like this. I have to type this all out on my own DIY style, you know? So I'm not allowed to use any starting points or any AI at all. I'm not allowed to use AI at all for this. Maybe like I don't know if it counts as AI for like the correction thing, like not the correction thing, the I don't know, the auto thing where it like auto completes your thing for you. I don't think that's AI. But I'm gonna allow that since I can't really figure out how to get rid of it, especially for HTML, because it likes to auto complete the things, the HTML tags. So I don't know if that's just that, but I don't care. Yeah, so what I'm doing, how I'm doing this, if you want to replicate what I'm doing at home. I'm using this website called w3schools.com, and it's actually a really good website, I think. It's totally free, and it teaches you the basics of everything. It teaches you the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP, everything. C++, C Sharp. This is how I'm going to learn to code, is basically what I'm saying. I'm going to learn to code using W3 Schools. It's a really crazy thing. It's kind of like Khan Academy, but for like coding. It's just completely free. It's awesome. I don't know who makes it, but apparently you can get certifications from it too. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, that's how I'm going to do the challenges, is I'm just going to use W3 Schools tutorials to do these challenges. And with this, I'll probably just go through it really fast. I'm not going to learn everything. Like, I'm not going to learn all of it, but I'm going to learn 10 of the things in the tutorial. Actually, I think what I'll do is I don't know if I should complete the tutorial completely, or if I should just continue with the do the 10 challenges thing and then work from there. Because I think if I do the tutorial, I mean, I might as well just do the tutorial. Let's change the workflow, okay? So I will complete the tutorial on W3 Schools. And then I will make the final website. So there's going to be actually a lot of challenges here. But these are all the coding challenges that I get, or at least most of them. I don't know if this is going to have all of the coding challenges. I think there might be basics as a coding challenge. Did that. Actually, I did. I'm probably on the styles now, right? Yeah, styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, I'm on the right thing. So I think I should just be able to do all of them. So yeah. So right now we're on the HTML styles. I'm not gonna split screen or anything with what I'm learning. You guys can just listen to me or watch what I'm doing, or you can open up the w3schools.com page and do it yourself. I don't know. I mean, it's whatever you want to do. I'm just doing this to document it. I'm not even doing this for Twitch. I'm just doing this for me. So if you get bored, just leave. Anyways, here we go. So let's learn. Okay, HTML styles. So we got these tag names. I'm not sure what this is. So also I might use these. I have really bad allergies. My nose is just running. I'm sorry. Really distracting. Try my medicine. Isn't it? My ADHD wouldn't be so bad, and I wouldn't have his nose bothering me so much. Anyways, this is gonna take a while because I have ADHD. But anyways, let's do just do best practice. HTML body. Let's see. One heading. All right. Let's see. So the body. This is style. And then background color. Oh. Okay, there's different colors for these. Color mix. What's this? sRGB. Can I do hex? Red, green. I did it here. RGB. That's horrible. Oh, I hate that. What the hell? That's so bad. What the? Oh, why would I ever want to do that? RGB? Can I do RGB? Oh, I can do RGB. Oh. I can do RGB in an RGB. Why can I do an RGB in an RGB? That's really stupid. I didn't even know you could do that. Let's just do this and make a fucking fucked up color that never existed ever. This is the worst thing ever. This is why I say don't backseat, because this is the stuff y'all yell at me for being stupid. Okay, powder blue is what they wanted me to use. So now, let's see. I do have this thing here. I don't think you guys can see it, but it lets me. Oh wow! It actually made the full page blue. Oh, except made the body's style was blue. So what if I do that here? Style. Can I do that for text elements? Text, color. I just said herb. Oh my god, I'm such a weirdo. Blue. Again. Okay. Okay. I'm learning. I'm learning. I can make the background blue and the text can be blue too. Just color it blue. How wonderful. How wonderful is that? And then I can make this one. Style. Color. Oh, color. Red. I made that one red. You fucking do it right? Okay, thank you. Red text and blue background is hard to read. It's hard to read that text. Okay, that's fun. I think I get it now. I can do style, font family, font size, yeah. Okay, center, align it, whatever. Okay. Okay, so we got, oh, don't want to do that. Duck, type, HTML, voice crack, HTML body. Welcome to my page. Tag. This is a fun paragraph. I read it different than what W3 schools wanted me to say. What are our goals for this one? So we have to set the background color of the body to powder blue. So we will do style equals background color, powder blue. And then guess set the color of the text color of the header to blue. That's okay. Style equals color blue. Font family Verdana. Give it up. I don't want to do all that. Okay. And then style text align center. And then font size 20 pixels. Did that work? I guess. I don't know what the Verdana font's supposed to look like, so I guess I wouldn't know if that's the right font or not. But I think it is. What about like sans serif? Okay, it seems to work. There we go. This is a fun paragraph. It's so fun. Hey, we're getting a little better. So, I don't know why I feel so stressed out right now all of a sudden. I really don't feel like this usually when I stream, but I just do. I guess I realized I have a lot to go through. Oh my god. Okay. So now we have text formatting. Formatting elements. Bold. Strong. Italic. Emphasized. Marked. Small. Deleted. Inserted. Subscript. Superscript. Mark. Delete. Inserted. Underscore. Superscript is uh, okay. Okay, duck. Duck type HTML. Oh my god. Okay, so I have to write them all because I can't copy paste them from my VM to my PC and I don't want to. So let's see. Wrap the word important in a strong element. Wrap the word carefully in an M element. Embedded. Wrap the word milk in a mark element. I don't feel like I'm learning much because it just tells me what to put it in. Wrap the word to in a sub element. For Subway sandwich. I'm hungry now. Wrap the word blue in a deleted element. And that should be it. So now let's go to challenge 7 in our browser. Oh, look at that. So fun. Look at that. Oh, M means... Okay, M is... What is M? M is an embedded, right? What is M? emphasized. Okay, that makes sense. Italicized. I don't know why. What? I don't. It's stupid. Okay, whatever. The milk is highlighted. That's lower, and that's crossed out. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's nice. So there you go. Now we have challenge 8 to do. Yay. Oh. I don't really love this as much as I did when I was starting. Whatever. Um, let's find a random Wikipedia article to quote a thing from it. Let's just do their featured article, I guess. Whatever this is. I'll just copy this first sentence and then quote it from Wikipedia. So I can learn like what we're trying to do. Okay? Wikipedia is a bad source. That's a lie. Wikipedia is great, but I would recommend that you should try to use the sources they cite so that you can review those. Oh God, that was bad. I'm so sorry. I'm just having a bad day. Oh, then we will copy the page and cite the page. And there we go. Challenge 8. Oh, Wikipedia is a bad source. And I guess that works. Oh, it indents the block quote. Okay. What's the point of using these quote elements? I'm not sure what the quoting or the block quote feature is really useful for. Because it's just metadata, so I don't know why you would do that rather than just link the source or something. I don't know. Because it's not like any normal person's going to be able to find it. Let's see, inspect element. It's not like you can click it and go to the source. You have to go here and then find the source there. And that just, I don't know. That rubs me the wrong way. I don't get it. Okay. So, anyways, let's see. So we also have we have abbreviations, or we have short quotations. I love pizza. It tastes really yummy. Okay, let's see what that does. Oh, it's just a quote. Just adds quotation marks. Okay, that's cool. And then we have abbreviations. Let's just do what they said. I don't know any other good abbreviations. World Health Organization, WHO, is an organization for world health. There you go. That was the dumbest abbreviation ever. Oh yeah, and then you just hold your cursor over it, and then it tells you. That's cool. That's kind of neat. That's kind of fun. That's kind of new. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. And let's see. There's addresses. Yeah, just, I guess indented or whatever, italicized. Yeah, it did have a line break, I guess. And then we have my favorite book is Sight, The Shining. Steven. Okay. Bi-directional override. I don't think I'll use this, or like half of these, but it's nice to know, I guess. Can you tell me? Right to left text. Okay, I accidentally did the thing again. Okay, I forgot how to stop that for a second. Whenever I press my function key, it always does that. I don't know why. And then my function key is right next to control, so I'm always pressing it. Oh, that's so gross. What? Who would use that? That's so weird. Why would anyone want to use that? Okay, well, that's fun. Yeah. Okay, so I learned the basics. Time to delete all my hard work. Ugh. I think it's the Red Bull getting me. I think that's why I'm so pent up and stressed. Not in a weird sexual way. I just mean I'm really. Oh, my body is super tense and I need I need help. I shouldn't have drank all that Red Bull. I do not have wings. I have anxiety. HTML body really should. Oh, let's see. Let's hear a famous quote from our favorite place, 33 Schools. Here is a quote from 33 Schools. They're telling me to write this. I don't want to write this. Learning HTML is fun and easy. Exclamation. I mean, not fun, but we all hate HTML. We all hate HTML. None of us like. Wrap the quote text in a block quote element. Okay. Cite it. Cite. HTML and the abbreviation. This one? Or the other one? Or both? I guess. So I'll copy this for the other one. And now we have this HTML hypertext markup language. Okay. Comments. Yes, I don't feel like we need to do a comment. I guess we can. I know how to use comments. It's not that hard. Some of them I'm just gonna fly past. This is just gonna be for everything because some of them I already know, some of them I don't. My website home. Home about. Cannot type. I'm having a stroke, I think. Contact. Holy shit. This paragraph should be hidden. So I guess either we can just turn this into the comment, or we can. Oh wait, they'll tell you how to do double line, will they? Yes. Oh, it's just the same. Okay. And just hide the paragraph. There you go. So easy. I don't even need to review that. I know that works. Okay, colors. 140. HTML supports 140 standard color names. That's a lot of color names. Okay. This would be our last challenge if we were following the old rules, which I have changed to be not that. We are now doing a different type of rules where we just have to finish the whole tutorial. And we're not even halfway done. We're not halfway done with this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to do this anymore. Oh my god. Oh, I have a headache, and I have stress, and I have anxiety, and I have everything going on right now. And I don't like it. It really just should not have had that Red Bull. God damn. It's making me shaky. Colors. Yes, we already learned this. Oh, the borders. Borders. Oh, God. Oh, hex, you just put a hashtag? No. Okay. I had to do something stupid. Um, I and experiments. No. Yeah. And kind of know how colors work. I don't. It's not really a worry. Okay. Let's see if that worked. There you go. Does not look good, but that's what they wanted me to do, so I did it. I guess we're learning a little bit of CSS. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. Now let's see this one. 11. Oh, wait, I already did this before, kind of technically. Did it here, I think. Oh, well, I didn't, but I did do that, I think. I don't know. Random text. Uh, yeah, this is the first thing we did in the stream. And now we're doing it again, just differently. That's so great. Look at us growing. Growing and learning and knowing. Next thing we learn, hyperlinks. We're going to learn hyperlinks. I know hyperlinks work. Oh, well, I guess I don't. Target attribute. Self opens the document in the same tab. Link opens it in a new tab or window. Parent opens it in the parent frame. Don't know what that does. Opens the document in the full body of the window. I don't know what any of that is supposed to do. Okay. Okay. Visit Google. Oh, that did work. Okay, you have it in a new tab. So what does current do? Okay, it opens it in the same tab. What does top do? It opens in the same tab. Okay, so the only things you're going to use are self and blank. I don't think anyone's going to use parent and top. I don't know what that's for. Maybe for iframes. I don't know. Um, okay. Yes, there are absolute and relative URLs. Relative URLs can go to different parts of your web page. So, like, if I did like slash challenge 10 HTML, visit challenge 10, and then I can visit challenge 10. Well, coding challenges. I think I can also do the squiggly line, and then is it squiggly or is it the dot? It's the dot, so I have to do dot slash then challenge 10. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Dot slash challenge 10. Right. Play. Could have had some backseat out there. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't backseat that, please. Let me struggle. Let me struggle. Okay. So we got that. We can go to different pages now. That's cool. Right? And we can use images as links. Right. We got images as links. Image. We'll look up an image of a strawberry. What is a strawberry image? Right. So we have visit challenge 10, a href, yes. Wikipedia. Is it .com? I think. Strawberry style. I think we're good. We're good for that. Okay. And then this will just bring you to Wikipedia. Yeah. So I can visit challenge 10 or in any tab, or I can visit Wikipedia in the same tab. What a useful website. That's a website that everyone's going to want to use. Okay, and we have mail too, which I'm not going to do, but yes, we can mail things to people. Link titles. Yeah. It's shown as a tooltip. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. Title. A really fun one. I don't. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! God damn it! Stupid shit. Pisses me off every time. Let's go back to our little challenge. Hover over it. Hover over it. A really fun one. It's fun. It's a challenge. It's such a fun little challenge. Or whatever he says. I'm losing my mind. Okay. Anyways, let's see what they want me to do. Oh, we have buttons. We have link buttons. Oh, we're learning how to make buttons now. Look how cool that is. Hover and act. Oh, yeah. Link displayed different color depending whether it's visited, is unvisited, or active. Pink, red, yellow. Those are the different colors that button can if it has been visited or not. Yes. Okay, create a bookmark. Oh, you gotta make ID. Oh, that was my red ball. Make IDs to things. And then references to them. So for example, we'll have a story. Chapter 4. And then we'll just have a reference. I guess it wouldn't do anything because there's nothing to put there. I don't know. Reference chapter 4. Go to chapter 4. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really do anything, but yeah. Let's do the coding challenge. So we have to make some HTML links. Header 1, HTML links. I'm going to use a lot of these in my little website. Visit W3 schools. And that's it. So what we have to do is we have to make the text, this text, visit W3 schools, go open up the link, w3schools.com, in a new tab. And then we have to add a title with the attribute, or we have to add a title with the value go to W3 schools. So I guess we can make that link. What's the other one? I don't remember. Forget. Blank. That goes to another tab, I think. Using the P is kind of pointless. But whatever. There we go. A new tab. Oh, look at that. Learn to code. If you're learning to do web development, and I think even game development here too. Oh my god, look at all this. Yeah, web development, game development even. There's C++, C, C Sharp, SQL. They just have everything, dude. Look at all that, man. They have Rust. Want to learn Rust? Let's learn some Rust. No, we're not learning anything else right now. We're learning HTML. Okay. But yeah, you can if you go to W3 schools. This feels like a giant ad, and it kind of is because that's what I'm using. But I promise I'm not being paid to do it. So yeah. Anyways, images can be improved or can improve the design of the appearance of a web page. I'm having a seizure. HTML images syntax. The HTML tag, image tag, is used to embed an image in a web page. Images are technically not inserted to a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The image tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. The image tag is empty. It contains attributes only It does not have a closing tag. The image tag has two required attributes: src, which is the path, and then alt, which is the alternative text, which helps screen readers and blind people understand what it is. Or it's there if the browser can't find the image. I don't know. Yeah, width, height, style attributes in the style sheet. Images in another folder, yes. Server website, yes, that's what I've been doing. I've been using URLs because I don't want to use folders. My desktop. Animated images, yes. GIFs, yes. Images of link, yes, we know. It's floating. Yeah, I guess. I can do that. Common image formats. Okay. Animated portable network graphic? Is that animated? Well, yes. Okay. GIF or GIF or whatever the fuck. Icon, JPEG, PNG, and an SVG. Yes. Image maps. Image map is an image with clickable areas. Yes. No, I'm not doing that. What? No. Oh god, I'm not putting the coordinates under the image. Ugh. Okay. I am kind of falling asleep, yes. So if you are wondering, yes, I am kind of bored and falling asleep reading this text. Background images. Background image on an HTML element. Add a background image on an HTML element. Use HTML style attributes. Also specify the background image in the style element in the head section. With the entire page to have a background image, you must specify the background image on the body element. And repeat, yes. No repeat. Fixed. Cover. Oh my god. I am absolutely drained. Stretch. What? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. That makes picture. Oh. Okay. I like that. That's fun, I guess. Hmm. Okay. So here's challenge 13. HTML. We got this. So we have to add an image in the area where it wants us to put the image. Can't follow the instructions exactly because I'm not downloading that image. I'm just going to use a web image or whatever. Let me find one. It's a Trello, actually. It's called a Trello. It's a long, long URL. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Look at that beautiful image right there. What a beautiful, beautiful image, as we can see, of the Trellos. The Trulies, whatever they're fucking called. An Amarolo. Add a favicon. Yes, let's add a favicon. It supports icons, PNGs, GIFs, JPEGs, and SVGs. That's good to know. I don't know why they have Opera and Edge on here, because Edge and Opera are just Chrome. They use Chromium as a base, which means they will support what Chrome supports, especially if it's a favicon file, unless they explicitly program it to not support a favicon file. Why would they not support it? I don't know, but they do, so it doesn't matter that these things are here. These things should not be here, but whatever. Okay. Wink, wink. I'm winking. I'm Roblox winking. I'm not trying to wink. I guess my eye just wants to close and be lazy because I have a lazy eye. this. I don't hate my life. I can't say some things on here that I really want to say, but it's okay. Holy. Okay. Probably gonna want me to have a right? Yes, I know how to make a title. I do not know. Oh, I do not. Table. What does TR and TH stand for? What does T stand for? Table data. Oh. Then what does TR stand for? Table row? Oh, that's probably what it stands for. Oh. What's TH stand for? Why is TH? Table header. Oh. I just scroll down. Oh my god, I'm eating, so shut up. Mm, mm, Oh, this food is so good. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I can make them round table. Now I have a headache. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. You guys, zebra strikes effect. Hmm. Yeah, nice zebra stripe. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Disability collapse. Okay. Well, let's do this challenge then, I suppose. Okay. So this is our little thing. So we have to add table rows. This will set all three of them. And then first table row of a table header named name, and then another table header country. This one will have table data name Maria Anders, I guess. That's what they want me to put there. I don't know who Maria Anders is, but apparently she lives in Germany. And then we'll have another one with Francisco. Frank Sicko is what I put there, and I did not make that. Change. Really tired and out of it. Mexico. Okay, so Francisco Chang is from Mexico, and Maria Anders is from Germany. There's our little table. Look at our little table, guys. Look at our cute little table. We all made this together. We all made this table together. It looks beautiful. Are we really not gonna? Oh, wait, I didn't put in the style. Table. Table header. Table data. Border. 1 pixel solid black. And now it looks a little better with this new styling. Now know we have 2 contacts, Maria from Germany and Francisco from Mexico. Hello, Francisco. We had some padding. What do we have here? Oh, I found the cheat code. Making a very much better. It's much better. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's not my normal voice. Made it look a little better, I think. Less. Gotta make less. Descriptions. Oh no. Description less. Description. Title? Description. Description? I guess. I don't know. Unordered list. Yes. I don't know that. Yeah. Square, none, circle. Make the dots different. Oh, you can make a horizontal list. Oh, to navigate a menu. Oh, that's how you can make a header. That's cool. I didn't even know that. That's cool. I like that. That's kind of cool. Thank you for teaching me that. Now I know how to make my website. I'm going to use all this to make my website. But I have to go through the. I don't want birds outside. There's a bird looking in my window. It's so silly. A silly bird. Right above my monitor. Squawking at me and looking at me. You cannot enter my window, bird. Bird wants to enter my window. Should I let the bird in my house? I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't let the bird in my house. But the bird seems to want to enter my house. So should I let the bird in? They're fighting outside. The birds are fighting. And this bird next to my window is watching the birds fighting. This is so funny. This is the best thing ever. This bird's just watching. It's just like got popcorn in his hand. It's just watching. Looking fight. It's the tiniest little thing too. It's like as big as my hand. It's a tiny bird. I don't know, there's like four outside. And two of them are fighting. Oh, two of them, they're all together now. They're all the birds. There's two birds at my window now, and there's two birds on my balcony, and now there's three birds. Unfortunately, one of the birds decided to leave. There's two birds watching me, and there is one bird all the way over there. Oh, and then one of the birds just kicked the other bird off because they're an aggressive asshole. What a jerk. Just kicked the freaking bird off of the freaking thing. Birds are rude. Birds need to learn some manners. Okay, anyways. Yeah, maybe I need to take a break for a minute. I don't know what to do. I'll finish challenge 15 and then we'll take a break. It's like a nice long. Birds are adorable though. I love birds. Birds are cute. Description lists. Yes. I like how it teaches me all this shit and then it makes me use like half of the shit I learned. It doesn't maybe make me use all the stuff I know. It's so I don't know. That just seems redundant. I don't know. Why would you teach me? I mean, I get it, but like, why would you teach me half the stuff I'm gonna actually use in your challenge? I don't get it. That's the only thing I don't get. Like, I think your challenge is a bit more comprehensive, I guess. I don't know. My day. Shopping list. Morning routine. We got unordered list and an ordered list. So, unordered list. Coffee. Tea. Do I do that or do I wait? forgot. I have to make a list. No, that's how you do it. Okay. That, I don't like this. I don't like making this. Lists are kind of stupid. Tea, milk. Wake up. Eat breakfast. What is low? Okay. Go to work. Let's see our little challenge 15. Oh, that's our little a day. It's a day for the day. I'm gonna have to end the stream in a minute, but I will do it later, I guess, or maybe tomorrow. It can be our long. Anyways, I would like to talk a little more. I am taking a break. I'm gonna put that down. I'm taking a break. But yeah, so I would like to talk a little more about how I used to program. I did. I really want to explain why I vibe coded. I guess I don't know. I mean, I I wanted to. I have a lot of ideas. I am a very creative person. I think I have a lot of ideas. I like to make art. Without the use of AI. Okay, I don't make AI images. Okay, I don't agree with that. But I used to be a vibe coder of sorts. So, I mean, it was like I was a vibe coder. I was a vibe coder. There's no sugarcoating it. I was just a vibe coder. That's that. And I just wanted to make these programs and these apps, which I was able to successfully make. But I felt like it was just why? Why fake this shit instead of just make it? Like, why can't I just make it and why can't I make it myself? Is the question. I have these ideas. People often say, I'm not even trying to stroke my ego. I don't, tend to be very humble. People say I'm humble. And people say I'm a genius, which I don't believe, but people say it. Um, I don't know why people say it because I don't feel like a genius because of the vibe coding thing. It's like, no, I don't know shit. I'm just faking it. And I guess faking it could work. But if I really want to get a job in a field where I be programming, I need to learn program. So by the end of this, I'm actually gonna do the CS50 thing. I did it before, but I really didn't. I want to actually like take it seriously this time and legitimately do it and stream the progress of it after this series. So obviously I'm doing this first, learning HTML, CSS, JS, whatever first. And then I will and then after that I'll do the CS50 thing. And that will be the culmination of my journey here. So yeah, yeah. And then I guess I'll pay $200 to get a fucking certificate. I don't know. By the end of this, I'll pay money to get a certificate from it. I don't fucking um yeah. I don't know why I started doing this. I just feel embarrassed. I felt very embarrassed about being a vibe coder, and it's like it's a tool. It shouldn't replace my workflow, which is what it was becoming. I would at first I would barely use it, but then I used it more and more and more until it just replaced everything. And now I just let AI do its own thing. And I feel like that takes the joy and the creativity out of programming. Because programming, I mean, to an extent, AI can be useful, but it can be misused so easily. And with how AI is right now, and just it's fleeting from us, I mean, it's not going to go away. AI is not going away. It is too valuable of a technology to go away. But it will die off. Like ChatGPT is gonna go away. These smaller AI platforms, character AI, all that bullshit, that's gonna go away. The only things we're gonna be left with are Perplexity, maybe, and Google and Meta AI and all that. And that's it. Because Meta actually is making a product with their AI, so I believe that they'll continue to thrive. I hope, because I'm getting the Ray-Ban displays, so I'm really sucking up to Meta right now and praying that they don't die off in the pop when the AI dies. But whatever. But yeah, let me talk a little bit about AI. And part of the reason why I'm not going to be a vibe coder anymore. So, reason number one is people don't like it. First of all, people don't like vibe coders, and people don't like AI, especially people in the communities I'm a part of, and I agree. I think AI, for the most part, is a waste of resources and natural resources that we have. So, yeah, I think AI is just maybe Google. I don't know. I don't know. I only like self-hosted AI, and that's what I try to use, but it's not as good as just using ChatGPT, especially if you don't have $30,000 to spend on a computer. So yeah, it's just so I just want to learn and do it on my own because ChatGPT, all this bull is just gonna go away, and I don't really want to do everything reliant on AI. I don't want to be reliant, especially something as fickle as AI. So yeah, I don't want to do that. So yeah, that's my reasoning. I just don't want to rely on something as fickle as AI. And I guess you could call it ego talking. It could definitely be ego. But no, it is ego. I'm just too proud to use it, I guess. But it's also harming the environment. So I don't I don't really know. But I guess let's break over and we'll get back to this. I am excited to make the website. I guess I could make it now if I wanted to. I mean, Why not? But I mean, I did say I would complete the entire tutorial, so to stay true to my word, I'm going to complete the entire tutorial, and then I will make the website. Even though I want to make it now, it would take away from my learning. So I guess I will do it later. Sound like a person that smoked for 50 years. Because I am just so tired. Would you guys like me to have like an overlay of what I'm doing? Like, should I do it all on the Linux computer? Maybe? I don't know. Let me know. If you guys are on YouTube and you're watching like the VOD of this or anything, let me know in the description. Would you guys like me to have like an overlay, like a bubble here, like where my mouse is? You can see where my mouse is. Would you like me to have like a bubble there of like what I'm looking at on my computer? Because I can do that, probably. I don't know. Probably can do that. And then you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't know. Sounds fun. I still really like this little bubble here is so fun. I don't know. It's just really, it's like a little thing. Anyways. Okay. Oh, man. Block level elements. A block level element always starts on a new one. Browsers automatically add some space before and after the block level element always takes up the full width available. There are two commonly used block elements, P and div. The P element defines a paragraph. The div element defines a division or a section in an HTML document. I think for my website, I'm going to use divs because divs are nicer and look prettier and I like them. Here are block level elements in HTML. Address, article, aside, block quote, canvas. I've seen canvas used a lot. dd, div, dl, dt, field set, fig caption, figure, footer. I've seen footer used. Form, hl through h6, header, hr, li, main, nav, no script, all. Okay, I guess all is something. I don't remember what all is. P, pre, section, table, T-foot, all, unordered list, and video. Okay, I've seen video used too. Don't, girl. And there's inline elements. Inline elements does not start a new one. Inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. Just like me. Take up as much width as necessary. This is a span element inside of a paragraph. Yes. There are inline elements. Here are the inline elements in HTML. A BR, acronym, B, BDO, big, BR, button, site, code, different, M, I, image, input, KVD, label, map. I'm gonna map out all of this. I think no one can see what I'm doing, so I sound like a schizophrenic weirdo. I probably should figure out a way to put up whatever I'm looking at on stream, but I'm too lazy. The div element is often used as a container for other HTML elements. Okay. Yes, and then, oh, you can put paragraphs in the divs. Okay, that's good to know. I figured you could, but I guess I was being stupid and didn't realize you could. Okay, the span element is inside or is an inline container. Just to mark up part of a text or part of a document. Okay. My mother has blue eyes and my face are green eyes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can use that to color specific text. Okay. That's good to know. Okay. That's good to know, actually. That's really good to know. 16. Time for challenge 16. So we have doc type HTML. Da, da, da. I just feel rejuvenated now. I don't know why. I was just feeling so tired, and now I feel like I just slept 8 hours, and I feel like I'm rejuvenated, ready to go, ready to beat someone up, ready to beat someone up. Take me outside. Let's go outside. Let's beat some. Let's beat some bitch up. Let's beat some bitch up. Feeling ready. Feeling ready to get in the wings. I'm feeling the wings from the Red Bull. Feeling the wings. There's this Twitter post or something. I don't know. It's like this engagement bait shit. Talking about like the stages of Red Bull. Like if you drink a certain amount of Red Bull, it's like the like there's like this thing where it's like, oh, this is like the the big one is like, oh, this is like this drink's good. Oh, it tastes good. Oh, I like this. And then like there's this tiny sliver at the bottom. It's like, why did I drink this? I feel like shit. Uh, London is my city. I'm just gonna put that there. Or is it England is my city? I think it's England is my city. I don't remember where that's from, but that's pretty stupid, right? Let's do that. Let's just have that there. I love Oslo. I don't know what Oslo is, but I love it. I love it. Ha, I love it. Okay, wrap the London heading in a paragraph in a div. Okay, so we'll just need to put some extra space out here. So we got div elements. Div. Boop. And there we go. We got our div elements here. And then we got to wrap the word capital. But we don't have that. I just wrote some stupid shit. We'll just put city. We'll make city. And we will wrap that in a span element. Span. And the good thing about span elements, putting my finger up, you can't see that, like a nerd emoji. You can style text in the span elements. That will be the only text in a paragraph that is styled in that way. They didn't tell me to do anything with the span elements. They just told me to put them in there. So there's no difference. Look, if we go to challenge 16, it doesn't look like it. It's just nothing there. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay. Development. Development. element as a default is by default a block element, meaning that takes up all the width available using divs as a container. I like divs. I do like containers too. Oh, I like that. Okay. Yes, and what I love to do is I love to put divs inside of divs to make divception. Okay, float. We can make them float, I guess. I don't know why you would want them to do that, but okay. Float. Okay. Let's see. I don't remember if you can use stretch or not for that. Challenge 17. Okay, let's try something. Let's make a div. Diving. We're diving. Div. Well, maybe the I forget how to do IDs. Yeah. We'll just do that. We'll just use div. Right. Stretch. Display. Inline. Block. Now let's see. Okay. So yeah, they stretch. And then they're the same size. And then the other div does not stretch. Okay. Oh, they're classes. I forget that about classes. How do they do that again? Dot. They put a dot. Dot div. Let's see what colors we can pick. Dodger blue. Div 2. Goldenrod. Yeah, different colors. Look at that. I don't know why the height is not stretching. Capitol. That's not how you spell it. Yes, I'm coding. Thank you for following. Sorry, I was not reading chat. How do I know? Well, on my other monitor, I have a web page open that is teaching me how to do things. It is this website here, is what I'm using to learn HTML. So I'm just reading off of this. Ingling, and I cannot spell. I cannot spell at all. Yeah, I've coded previously, but I've never been good at it because I just never took the time to learn. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm kind of just learning from scratch because it's like I do know the basics. I know the basics. I know terminology and stuff, and I know how things work, but I just don't know how to do it. So I'm really just learning it from scratch. Um, well, the basics that I know is like, yeah, it's knowing how to format it. I mean, knowing the head and then the body, and it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's just stuff I learned in school. Um, like how to make a very basic web page where you can like have different colored text, or I mean, where I'm at now is further than where I've been because I know how to change the color of text and how to make lists and how to make tables. And I think that's the basics, like knowing how to make something that resembles a web page. But I don't really know how to make it look good, I guess. I don't know how to make like I don't know how to make it styled to where it looks like something that you'd see in the modern day. It looks more like something you'd see like on the early web or something. Just basic. I don't know how to explain it. It's just very simple, rudimentary. But yeah, I'm trying to go through all the tutorials, and then by the end, I create a website or an application based on what I know. And then I will move on to something else. Like, I'm going to learn. Yeah. Well, I guess. I don't know. It's hard to explain it. I guess I don't understand what I'm talking about. I don't know. I'm really bad at explaining things. I mean, I guess just HTML would be the basics, yes. In the grand scheme of web development, yes. The just knowing HTML would be the basics. But I guess I would just know how to make, I don't know. I don't know. I guess. I mean, you know how to make a web page, so I suppose you would know more than the average person. So I guess you could be an intermediate coder, maybe. I don't know. I just know the rudimentary understanding of coding. I don't know. Like, I know how to do some things, but I don't know how to do the things I want to do, is what I mean. Like, I don't really know JavaScript or anything. No, I don't think that's true. You'll have to know a bit more than just HTML to make money from it. I mean, you could probably know HTML and make some money, but if you want to like have a career in it, I'd say you'd have to be pretty good at it. You'd have to know quite a few things, especially nowadays. I'm just doing it for hobby. I'm not really doing it for a job. I don't really want to even have a career in programming, working under anyone, because I feel like that will suck the joy I get out of doing it. I work in a hospital. I don't work in programming. I'm not a doctor, but I work in like the sterile processing unit. Yeah, I don't want to like. I want this to be a hobby for me. I don't want this to be like a career because I used to want it to be a career, but it just feels like if I make it a career, it's gonna just suck the joy out of it. It's gonna be like I have to do this today. Oh my god. And then it's just gonna get boring. It's gonna get annoying and boring. So I don't want to make anything out of it. And I mean, it's very difficult. At least it's notoriously difficult. People say it's difficult to get into this, which I would agree. I think it would be very difficult to get into any job at the moment. But yeah, getting into technology would be something. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Maybe if you want to work at McDonald's, that would be easy. But like, if you want a job that will sustain you and make over like $30,000 a year, then it's probably going to be a little difficult. Um, Yeah. Um, well, my main goal of this whole thing is so I can stop vibe coding because I used to be very heavily dependent on AI to do anything when it comes to programming because I wanted to do these things, these extravagant projects, but I had no clue what I was doing. So, my goal at the end of this whole thing is to actually be able to build a project that I want to build and complete it without AI at all. So I feel like that's ambitious, but I'm going to try to do it anyways. I feel like it's going to take a while, but that's fine. I have nothing else to do. Let's see. The class attribute. Why not? Um, it's mostly my viewpoint on it, but I think AI is destructive because when I before I used AI to help me program, um, I could program a bit more fluently. But then once I may put AI in my workflow, I think it definitely got out of hand. And it got to the point where I wasn't really programming anything. And I just kind of lost my ability to do it as well as I could. And I'm not saying I could do it well, but I could do a lot more than I could right now at this moment. So it was just frustrating. It was like it was taking everything away from me, I guess. So I want to escape that and just kind of be able to do my own thing without that to prove a point, I guess. But I guess it's an ego thing as well. It's like I'm too proud to use it. So I don't know. I felt like I was losing the ability. Like, I felt like I'm really bad at explaining myself, but I felt like I was just losing the ability to program because of me becoming so dependent on AI to do it for me. So it just got out of hand. And I want to be able to do something on my own. I guess, yeah. I guess it didn't, I don't know if it made me forget things, but it just made me become lazier, I suppose. It made me become lazier. And I guess if you, like those people from Wally, if you think about it, like where they're just on their screens all the time and just relaxing, you know. Exactly. I want to get to the point where I know um it's unregulated. AI is just unregulated. So I suppose, yeah, honestly, there's studies about it where it's like people become really dependent on AI and then they kind of just become complacent in what the AI knows rather than what they know. So then they just put all their trust in it. I don't know if it did. It probably didn't, but I just became so dependent on it. So it just was like, I don't know. I didn't really feel the need to do it. So then I never practiced it. So then I just kind of was like putting it in the back of my mind and never really was able to do it. So, I mean, it's my fault. I don't think it like erased my memory, but it was like I never worked that muscle in my head, the theoretical muscle. So, yeah, I just never really was able to do it how I used to be able to do it. But it's not like I was a programming wizard and then using AI sucked it all out of me. That's not what I'm saying. That's an over exaggeration. I didn't know much, but then I knew a little less, is what happened. It's like instead of going from 10 to 1, it's like going from like 4 to 1. It's not as bad as I made it out to be, but it's still not a good thing. But I just let it get out of hand. So I guess it is pretty scary. And I'm not trying to defend it, but I'm trying to be a realist about it. It's probably not as like, oh my God. Maybe. Who knows? I wouldn't. I would have forgotten. I think AI should definitely become regulated. Yep. But I was just never interested in learning it because it was like AI can just do this for me, so I'll just use AI, and that was just my thought process. So I never learned. I never got better. It doesn't. It doesn't suck out the memories. It's not like a vacuum sucking out the memories. It's not doing that. It's the fact. It's a skill. It's not. There we go. It's a skill. And with any skill, if you don't actually put effort into working on that skill, you might eventually lose that skill in a sense. Like you'll become, if you're an athlete and you don't work out, then you're probably not going to be as good at the sport that you practiced as you were before when you did work out. That's what I mean. No, because I was not explaining myself properly. Um, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you don't drive a car for a long period of time, you probably won't be as good at it as you used to be. Why is my HK? I just want to make a project that I'm proud of. I'm not sure what my end goal really is, but I want to be prepared. I want to be prepared for whatever I do want to do. I just want a higher skill level than I do have currently. But I'm probably, unfortunately, going to end the stream soon because I have to do things today. And I need to do them soon. Yeah, you too. I'm going to finish this last challenge and then I think I will go. Let's see. And I'll probably come back later today or I'll stream again tomorrow. I'll think about it. Class in the H2. Okay. Oh my god. I cannot. Shit. Color. Background color tomato. Ugh. And let's see. Did we do it right? Is it 18? Oh god, that looks horrible. It looks genuinely horrible. I did not expect it to look that bad. Oh my god, that looks really bad. That looks actually that's the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, that wasn't surprising. I don't know what I expected it to look like, but I did not expect it to look this bad. Okay, that's nice. Well, okay. Anyways, let's end that stream. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this stream. I'll stream again either tomorrow, this afternoon, or tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And for you on YouTube watching the VOD, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And again, comment on if I should put the window in the corner, the one where I'm whatever it is developing what the learning material, putting the learning material in the corner or putting it in the image is like a browser, putting in the browser or whatever. Let me know if that's what I should do because I feel like I should because I sound like a schizophrenic if I'm not. But yeah. Anyways, thank you. Bye. Have a great day or night or whatever. Let's